Hey guys, today's Sunday, January 20th. There's a track event today at the track, so I'm getting the Galant ready for that. If you guys remember, I didn't end up going racing that night as planned, and I want to go ahead and still get my personal best. So I got to change out the spark plugs, which I did remove one just so I can make sure I got the right ones, and remove the little cover. I did order new spark plug wires, but they're not going to get here till later today. So hopefully the spark plugs fix my issue, and then I could do that, I think they call it like cope upgrade. I think it's turns into a coil pack, I think it is. Or something like that. I don't know. I'm still looking into that. But somebody did recommend that in my last video. And I'm going to go ahead and check that out. I'm freaking exhausted. Didn't go sleep till 4 this morning, and then I was up at 8. Had a, yeah, pretty late night. But I'm going to go ahead and change out the spark plugs and do an oil change, which I don't need to show you guys that. But, yeah, I got to measure out the gap on these, and I don't know. I don't think I'm really going to show that. I think I'm just going to, next clip you guys are going to see is myself at the track trying to beat my personal best, which is an 11.9. So we'll see how that goes today. Wanted to race that GTR. My first run for the day. Oh, about to run the GTR. Well, that was a pretty good pass. That was a good pass. That GTR is fast. I forgot to turn up the boost. I'm on my A setting, which isn't full boost. So, yeah, that kind of sucks that I freaking forgot to do that. But let's see what the time is. Woo! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! If I would have turned up the boost, I would have broken the fucking 11.9. I had a 1.760 foot. That is boss. Holy shit. I need to change my setting. Oh my god. If you guys can see it, 1.760 foot it, and I ran a 11.9 at 119. Holy fuck. pretty good. I don't know if that was faster though. The boost is turned up now, so let's see what that pass brought me in. The launch really hard though. I like it. New personal best, 11.8. And I can still play with the duty cycle on the boost gauge, so there's still a little bit more room in there. And that 60 foot was worse. And I think 60 foot, 1/8. The mile per hour, and the 1/8 I think it is, was worse. New personal best though, 11.8. Damn. That's dope. Slam it. I didn't want to. Still would have been a terrible time. So let's just see how that 60 foot was. Oh my god. That was a 1657 60 foot. Holy shit. I fucking hit the 60 foot. Oh my god. That is badass. Wow. That would have been my fastest pass if I could have, if I got a clean second gear. Holy shit, I just did a 1660 foot. Guys, had the boost turned up exactly where I needed it. I just didn't see the AFRs, but that's all right though. It's still running. That had to been it. That had to been my 1660 foot. That has to be 11.7 or faster. Fuck! That wasn't it. Oh man, that sucks. Damn. Well, 1.73 60 foot. ET was broke something, guys. I feel like it might be the rear end. Or it's another axle. It took too long on the lights, and I kept sitting on my two-step, and I kept flooring it. I should have just let it roll and not have made it past that time. I fucked up. Fuck, what did I break this time? This sucks. Whoa, my day's over. Another broken axle.